Welcome to the Galena Diaries, where we take you on a journey through the charming town of Galena, Illinois, and share our family's day-to-day experiences along the way. I'm Angela, and this is my incredible son, Max, who loves all things YouTube and is a budding video editor.
I love making videos, and I'm the co-creator of this series. So hit that subscribe button if you're ready to join us, and let's get into it.
Hello everyone, we hope you are well. This summer we have been busy at work in the yard rebuilding our ruined garden. The old wooden railroad ties needed to be replaced, and my husband Craig did a beautiful job making it stronger and more accessible. We added in some wooden stakes instead of so many of the metal cages to have it be a little bit more organic this time. As you can see, all of the plants are doing really well. We've already got some baby tomatoes on the vine. We have onions, broccoli, cauliflower, and more tomatoes on this end. In the back row, we have watermelon, cantaloupe, beans, and cucumber. Closer to the house, we have our strawberries and herb garden. It's closer to the kitchen for us to come out and snip the tarragon, parsley, cilantro, basil, and oregano. The grapes, as you can see, are doing beautifully, and we're so excited to have our first real crop this year. The beautiful wildflowers on the hill are just spectacular in the golden hour of the afternoon. Max wanted to pick some basil and make some homemade pizza. We worked on it together using fresh mozzarella and lots of basil this time. I think it was a winner. About 10 miles from our home is Apple River State Park. Max and I decided to go there one afternoon to enjoy the sunshine and put our feet in the water. Let's go this way first. It was such a peaceful way to spend an afternoon. Apple River State Park also has several acres worth of trails. We decided to do the Primrose Nature Trail, which starts right here. Looks like this one's going to be a good workout. We saw birds, dragonflies, and butterflies all along the trail. There are lots of flowing creeks and bridges throughout the trails. We stopped at the lookout to take in the rest of the park. Soon it was time to head home, as today was a pretty big day, the 4th of July. After we took in the beautiful sunset, we took a short drive downtown to find our spot to watch the fireworks. Max was excited to see so many people were shooting off their own fireworks before we even got to the levee. We hope you all had a safe and fun holiday. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.